Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aisha Talks. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to talk about how you can use internet to make money, how you can use internet to earn online. If you are going to watch this video till end, I'm going to share things that I've learned and what are the essential things that you should know for working online and to make money online. So please subscribe to my channel and also like the video if you like the content. Begin. It's been 7 years I've been working online, and it feels like a dream. But initially I started. It was a joke for me. I never trusted, and I never believed that we can also earn online, because I've heard so many stories that this is fraud and people cheat online and things like that. It was just randomly. My brother and I, we started a small project online, and now it's been 7 years, more than 7 years now. We have established a very successful online career, and this has proved very beneficial recently in COVID-19, when everything was closed and all the offices, everything, all institutes are closed, but by the grace of God, our things, our businesses were going very smooth, and people were coming to us for advice that how are you all managing? Because if you're working online, then you can work from comfort of your home. You don't have to go anywhere, even if the world is closed. Like recently in COVID-19, we have, in Corona period, we have witnessed that everything was closed. But if you are at home, you are healthy and you are good, you are safe, then you can continue working. So I'm going to discuss things that are needed for working online. If you want to work online, if you want to establish a career online and be successful in it, you first need to understand that you have the biggest ever facility, that is internet. You are not aware, if you do not understand the kind of facility you have at home or in your phone in terms of internet, you are just wasting it. First you need to understand that with internet, it is not only for entertainment. Of course it is there for entertainment, and you use it for your study purposes, and there are so many things that you can do because you're online. Of course those things are reality, and I'm sure you all use it. But if you want to work online, you should understand that you have a facility that connects you with the world. So you are always connected with your clients, you're connected with your students, you are connected with whatsoever web portal you want to be associated with. So you have to understand that you have a facility at home and also in your phone. So you have to make use of it. uh, I started teaching online, and of course I still teach online. I have many students who are in different countries, and I'm always in connected with them. Always talking to them. If you see my phone, you wouldn't find pictures in it, and you wouldn't find games in it, but you will always see the things that I discuss with my students, and they're asking for my correction. Sometimes they need some suggestion for their research work and things like that. So in my phone, you're always going to find such stuff, because I'm all the time busy. So if you're a teacher, like I am a teacher, I'm an English teacher, so you need to learn how you can teach online. There are many websites available where you register, you sign up, and they are going to pay you for every lesson. For hourly there are charges, and you have to take like 6 classes in a week or 12 classes in a week, and then your payment is according to that. And of course you when you're experienced and when you learn all the skills, because while teaching online you need a lot of stuff. You need 2 laptops and microphone, and you need speakers, and you need also resources, different material you need to. So when you learn these skills and when you are experienced in teaching online, then of course you can earn better. But initial pay is also not bad if you are a student, and if you want to do something on your own, if you want to help your parents, if you want to support and fund your academics, if you want to pay for your university fee, it's a good amount that you can generate, and you don't have to go anywhere, you don't have to leave the comfort of your home, and still you can earn a reasonable amount of money. I'm going to share certain websites where you can register and sign up and start working. And if you're a teacher, I mean, because I know the teaching portals a lot, because I'm a teacher, so it is very helpful, especially for students. So you can start from there. So when you start working online, your life changes, and even my life has taken like 180-degree shift, because you need to be very quick, very adaptive with technology. You have to understand that with technology you are always on the move, and you carry your stuff with you. Even if you have to go and visit someone, you have to go out for a dinner or shopping, so your phone is with you, so your students would contact you and you are always connected to them. So you have to understand this. If you're ready for this, then you can earn a reasonable amount without actually going out and working for someone else or working for some other institute. And initially it's a problem, but then you start getting accustomed with this kind of practices, and you start adapting it, and it becomes part of your life, and then you don't even feel it. Then what you have to do, you have to publish your office hours. You have to tell your students that these are the timings. I am from Pakistan, let's say, so I tell my students that these are the timings, these are the Pakistan Standard Time where I am available. So you can contact me from this to this time. So you have to publish your office hours, and then students would not find any confusion in contacting you in whatsoever time slot you are available in. I knew all this from since childhood or somewhere. Of course not. I've learned these things online. So one thing was sure, that I was never embarrassed if I never knew something. I would ask someone for help, and I usually involve my brother because he's very good with technology. So I'm always like after him, that teach me this, how to do this. And initially it takes time, because if you have gadgets, if you buy a new phone, if you have a new laptop, then of course you need to be comfortable with its interface, and you need to know which software is for what purpose and things like that. So never be embarrassed in asking. If you need some help, there are so many people, and people are good. Generally people are good, so they are going to help you. So never be embarrassed in asking the questions. If you have a question, if you have a confusion, please ask a question. You can ask a question to me, and I'm going to help you. So similarly, you can ask others. So never be embarrassed in asking. If you want to work online, then you need to find right people, and you can ask them what are the tips and tricks to registering yourself and other things, and then you will see that you will be in the right direction, and then you will learn yourself. You start working online, you start learning different skills. For example, handling the camera, and fixing the microphone. You start using these things, and this is the advantage with our generation, that we are technology is advancing in front of us, so we know these are the previous things, and these are the new latest trends, so we can quickly adapt it. So you can learn things, and very soon you will see that you will use the camera, and you will use the microphone and speakers and web interface, everything very comfortably. It will be very convenient for you. So you have to first be accepted. You should be start accepting it. You should be open towards accepting a change, and then you will see that you will start learning. The other things that I've learned while working online is, of course, video editing. I never knew this, and I used to irritate my brother a lot. And initially he was doing my video editing, but now there are different apps in my phone, also in my laptop, where I edit my videos and I upload them. I know what to do and how to do it. So these are the things that you learn online. If you want to make money online, you can start your teaching channel. You can also start your Facebook page. You can take online classes. There are different apps available. So you can make a small video where you are introducing a certain subject, certain type, whatever your subject is. Maybe you're a physics teacher, maybe you're a chemistry or maths teacher. So it depends what subject you teach. So I'm an English teacher, so I would choose any grammar component, and I can make a video on it, and I can start posting it, and students would contact you. So these things will help you make your own clientele, and people will start knowing you as a teacher, as a polished teacher. And with video editing, you can make your own videos. Making money online is possible. I have been doing it for last 7 years. Can you believe it? Like, I sometimes, when I look back, I don't believe it. But it is happening, and I have been doing it very successfully. There are many other people who are so successfully doing it. So you can also do it. Why not? So you should also learn certain skills, like you should learn how to teach online, you should learn video editing, you should learn how to use gadgets, you should be comfortable with technology, and then you will see that you will also be earning very successfully. So it's your time to start adapting to online methods of learning, and you will see the magic. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope I'll be meeting you maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow with another exciting video. Thank you very much for watching. Aisha Khan signing off. Take care.